Hi everyone, I apologize for my sweatiness, but I have been just bringing the Samsung Costco stove all by myself from the trailer behind from my vehicle into the house. It's a main floor, so it wasn't too bad, but I had a moving dolly. Anyway, I wanted to share because when I was looking for solutions, this stove, or this type of stove, exactly this same model, I purchased from Costco 2 of them, and for 2 different apartments, for a duplex, upstairs, downstairs. Anyway, so upstairs, when the stove was working perfectly, downstairs, brand new from the box, both of them. It's around 900 Canadian dollars stoves. One of them was first cooking, but cooking very badly. For example, it would take 45 minutes to reach 375 degrees temperature, so we can have our cookies. So the cookies that usually would take about half an hour with the preheating would take us an hour and a half. But long story short, I was troubleshooting all this issue after just cooking very inefficiently and slowly. The stove was starting to show bad line error. And so it was just shocking to me, and it was actually then tripping the breaker, of course. Anyway, long story, after like many attempts to troubleshoot, tracing the wire, tracing everything in the box, make sure among all the possible scenarios and causes as what, for example, swapping the white and with red or black, basically neutral wire with any of them. I thought this could be an issue, but then I'm thinking, no, I traced, everything is good in the panel. I even went to the point of replacing the breaker. It's a 40 amp double pole breaker, 240 volts, 40 amp breaker in our case. And none of it worked. Breaker was still tripping. So in new breaker, just like old breaker was just tripping, and the stove was showing a bad line. Long story short, I just then decided to save my time, went back, replaced the stove with a brand new one, returned the old one. This new one actually exact same model, and they actually, we got lucky, it was $50 discount on that. But long story short, it was actually a problem with the stove. So do not exclude that as a possibility of you having a stove error. It could just actually be a stove. So anyway, all I had to do now, after tracing all the wiring and making sure it's all that, before even I placed the stove in its location, the new one, as you can see, I started to test, and so far everything looks good. So it does not show me the bad line or anything like that. You know, so that's it. And I'm just going to make sure, test that it goes up, the temperature goes up steadily and fast enough. And that's it. So I hope that helps you as well. So basically the short or the malfunction must have been somewhere in the stove, maybe with its board or some electronic components or some wiring. So it just came damaged. Anyway, so all you have to do is just to go back, return it, and get a new replacement. All right, bye, good luck.